Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I do my gorgeous beach wave wand curls on this gorgeous wig from Nadula Hair. So they sent me a lace frontal wig. I have a lace frontal on. It's really cute. I'll talk about it more in the review video, but pretty much I'm just showing you how exactly I wand curl this hair and get it to look as gorgeous as it looks now. So Nadula sent me a 24-inch wig. 24. It was a lace frontal wig, as I had said before. It is glueless, so it can come off at night or whatever you would like, because of the adjustable bands in the back. So that's something that I really like about Nadula Hair wigs. They are glueless. They all come glueless. All you have to do is adjust the adjustable strap to your liking, and it automatically becomes glueless. You do not need glue. So that's really good for people with thin or sparse edges who want to, you know, like just put the wig on for show and pop it off at night, rub their oil in their head or whatever the case may be. That's something that I really love about this wig. So stay tuned, keep watching so you can see how I do these wand curls, and I'm gonna just show you a clip of the wig or the box, or how it came, how it was nicely packaged and sent via DHL. So stay tuned, keep on watching. Hey loves, so this is the gorgeous black and gold box from Nadula. Their social medias is on the side of the box. So on the inside of the box that the wig came in, it has a wig cap for all the wig cap users, a band. You don't need the band because it is glueless. So they have clips also for all the clip users who like extra security for their wigs. So on the bag, I'm just showing you, it says Brazilian hair 24 inches, and under the barcode it says BW, which stands for body wave. So I'm taking the wig out the bag, and as you can see, isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous, guys? So, you know, very excited unboxing the wig. I gotta just throw everything down and just show y'all this gorgeous wig. So on the inside, I'm showing you it has clips, 3 clips, and the elastic band to make it glueless. Also showing you that it has pre-made baby hairs. It is pre-plucked, so that's something that I definitely love. And look at this luster. Let's get into the video. So in today's video, I have in Nadula Hair in my head, as you can tell, and as I had stated in the beginning of the video. So yeah, what we're gonna do right now, this is the portion of the hair that has been like washed and blow dried, and this is the hair in its natural state. So what we're gonna do is just hot comb the top to just prepare it to be wand curled. And I'm actually not gonna be doing like super tiny wand curls. I'm gonna make them thick. So I'm gonna just start with the back, because that's like the main portion of the hair, and I just want to make sure that like the back is done. And then when I'm halfway, like about here of my head, so I definitely should just go ahead and part it out. So yeah, see, it's not a lot of hair to cover. So yeah, pretty much when I'm midway through with my wig, I will stop the time lapse and finish the top for you guys, like on camera. So it is a frontal wig. I told y'all all about this hair already. 180% density, 24 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep it cute. My wand curler, I have no clue where this is from. More than likely this is a wand curler that I definitely got from Walmart. So yeah, it doesn't even tell what inch barrel it is, but you can see, you'll find it in Walmart or Target, because that's where they sell like really good wand curlers at. So yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm really far away from my stuff because I just wanted to make sure you could see at least almost all the hair, and because it's 24 inches, like, you could almost see everything, but everything isn't shown. So I'm just gonna do the front for you guys because that's what y'all are mainly going to see with these wand curls. So I basically take the curl, and just like curling my regular hair, I'll just curl it backwards, like away from my face. So just curl, wrap the hair around the curl. So all you do is twist and try to wrap it as tight as you possibly can, and that way you have more space on your wand. And if you end up with no more space on your wand, start curling it upside down or backwards, and that will pretty much just help you with like curling everything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for this other portion of the video. I'm gonna finish one side so you guys can see like what I'm talking about, or y'all can just catch on to what I'm saying. So instead of doing it like this and breaking it like that, I'm gonna just part it like how I would do layers in my body wave hair. So the top can look nice and flawless, but the bottom pieces, it doesn't really matter how you curl them, just as long as they're curled and they look decent, because they will be covered by the top pieces. So get the curler. This time you want to just place the curler under the hair, yeah, and just wrap it around. Again, it's still away from your face in a sense, and when you're wrapping, keep twisting the hair. You just want to keep twisting it, and that's what helps you to get like this spiral looking curl. I don't think I've ever really went into detail about how to get like nice cute wand curls, but this is a cute decent style for like any date night, or you know, anything party related where you want to like do your hair but you don't want it to take like a long time. I would say that isn't so long for, you know, just somebody that's trying to curl their hair. That isn't a long time. You don't have to pin it up after or anything, because with the help of hairspray, the curls will end up staying for a decent amount of time. So you could party, go to the club and come back, go to school and come back, go to school and come back. So yeah, when you're done with it, you want to make sure you just comb the top through so everything looks together and cute or whatever. So then you want to spray the hairspray all over the hair. And this is the only hairspray I recommend for any type of curling style, because it doesn't leave your hair crunchy. And after you have like the hair curled or whatever, you can definitely go into straightening the hair the next day or doing any other style with heat, and it won't get crunchy or old, or it won't feel any type of way. So that's the reason why I really like that hairspray. It helps a lot, pretty much better than a whole bunch of hairsprays, and it works well with the Nadula Hair and hair extensions, period. So we're just gonna get into the other side. I may speed this up a little bit because I won't be doing any talking. I'll just be curling the hair. So you want to take enough hair for it to be able to wrap around the barrel. If you want this to be more voluminous, I would recommend you doing them in thinner sections. If you want this curl to just be more of like a chunky wavy vibe, and when it like drops for real, your hair will look like it's in a natural body wave state, or like a pineapple wave, then you don't have to touch it. You'll just leave it like this and curl it like this, like in chunkier pieces instead of doing thin pieces, and you'll definitely achieve that result. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish doing this side and record it for you guys, so it'll be sped up. It won't be a time lapse this time, so you'll actually be able to see exactly everything that I'm doing, so you can achieve this look too. So I'll just speed the video up and just keep watching. So right now, I'm just gonna rake through the curls to make them more voluminous, make them look super big, or just bigger than they look right now. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is all I do to achieve nice, cute, beach wavy looking wand curls. So if you would like to achieve this look too, just follow the steps that I did in this video and you'll get it down pat like me. If you'd like to purchase Nadula's hair, the links will be in the description box below. The links to this exact wig and all the other textures that they have, styles, lengths, but in my head it's a 24-inch body wave Brazilian hair lace frontal wig. So if you want that, the link will be like directly at the top where it says hair that I'm wearing. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one.